And here's another one of our one-pot dishes. It's seriously easy to make, real fast, and it's healthy, delicious, and nutritious.
If you make a bit more, you can take it to work and you already have a delicious, filling,
healthy meal.
Coarsely chop an onion and press 2 garlic cloves. Add a bit of water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Braise the onion and the garlic in it for a couple of minutes. Wash and chop some mushrooms and add them to the pot. Chop a leek and add it. Don't forget to stir it. Cut some dried apricots into small pieces. Also add it to the mix. Pour 1 jar or can of cooked corn into the pot. Also add a can of chopped tomatoes. Make sure the cans don't have any ingredients like oils, sugar, or any additives. Add a can or 2 of cooked black beans. We're using our leftovers from yesterday. Season it to taste with dried rosemary, thyme, ground mustard seeds, but don't use as much as we used, it's very spicy. Oregano, basil, sweet paprika powder, parsley, ground black pepper, and a bit of salt. This dish is so fast and easy because we're using pre-cooked vegetables from cans. It's a good thing to have those at home if you're running low on time but still want a home-cooked, healthy meal. Season it with rocket salad and almonds.
And as we say in Switzerland,
ein guter